In this video, I'm going to show you how to add atmosphere background videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and go to the Library tab. Navigate to the Atmosphere category. Browse and select from the various available atmosphere videos. Once you've found the one that you like, add it to the track. Now, to make it more dynamic, let's combine it with different videos. Place the selected atmosphere video on the track above the main layer. After that, go to the Import tab, import your video, and place it on the track below the atmosphere video. Use the split tool to match their duration. After that, select the atmosphere video layer. Go to the mask tool in the toolbar and add the split mask. Drag the split mask to adjust its position to your preferred design. After that, adjust the feather slider to create a smooth blended transition between two layers. Now, go back to the Basic tab and select a blending mode that complements your video. Try options like overlay or soft light for different effects. Once you're done, preview your video to see the result. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully added an atmosphere background in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!